Okay, everybody, it's been a long time. I've gotten a lot of emails asking if I quit trading, why I don't post any results or videos anymore, and here's the reason. 1 month ago tomorrow, my dad passed away, and 1 week ago tomorrow, my wife's dad passed away, both from cancer. So it has been one hell of a month. 2013, I guess there's something to that unlucky 13. But anyway, I'm actually looking forward to getting away from all the misery and back into trading again. The chat room's been running without me. We've got several all-stars in there that have been pounding away, and so the chat room never closed, but I haven't been there, so hence no videos and no results posted by me. So looking to get back into it and anxious to do so, something to keep my mind busy. So enough of that. Here's a few stocks I'm going to be watching on Thursday. Pandora, the letter P, real nice volume right here, and you see the gap up, and you can see the trend line break today. So this one's worth watching for a possible continuation, and then maybe a break one of these days above whatever this most recent high was, 1470 over that. So anyway, could get a move up to there over the next week or so. We'll see. It's worth watching. I do have a bounce play on watch, this CTSH. Certainly getting ahead of itself. If these were 5-minute candles on an intraday chart, I would certainly be looking for a reversal soon. When you get the candles start to get bigger and in range, longer than the ones before it, and the volume bars are reaching up, getting bigger and bigger, this is certainly worth watching for a possible turn soon. CTSH, and then some long watch stocks. Pay. Now this doesn't look great as a daily, but had a big volume move on, let's see, tomorrow's Thursday, so this would have been on Tuesday, kind of an inside day on Wednesday. So Pay is on watch, possible long. PCS up above these recent highs, this 1180 area. Certainly could get going. Remember the other day it had a big move and then gave some of it back, and now it's back up to those recent highs. So I like PCS over that 1180 area. Of course, depending on the overall market as well. We don't just dive in if it gets there, but if all conditions warrant, it'll be worth a look. Crocs, the reason this is on watch because I believe they reported after hours, and it's pretty choppy, but it looks like it. Well, it's hard to make heads or tails out of it. It just deserves to be on a watch list because it should get volume tomorrow after reporting. I can't tell where it closed after hours, but it was up to 1620 at one point. Anyway, worth watching. It does have room above this area. We'll see how they react tomorrow. FIO, another one that reported. This was a beaten up stock. It had a nice run into earnings. Here's the after hours action. It ran all the way up to almost 1950 and ended up finishing up around 1864. There it is on 60s with the after hours action. So a lot of shorts in this one. Put this on your list for tomorrow. Might give some nice trades. Again, ended up around 1864. So if you look at the daily, it's up here. This is 18, so it's probably right in here. May want to fill this gap, may head to 20. Who knows? But again, we take all of our trades based on intraday action. But these kind of stocks deserve to be on the watch list. Akamai, AKAM, certainly ahead of itself in after hours. Look at this. Went all the way up to almost 44 after reporting, closed around 42, 48. So up near recent highs, deserves to be on watch. And then also CLF, a beaten up coal name. After hours, again, you had a nice pop. Went almost to, let's see how high. It went to 1980, ended up closing around 19. But as beaten up as it is, that might ignite the whole coal sector. Again, only on an intraday basis, but that is the list we'll be starting with in the chat room on Thursday morning. And we'll find some volume plays as well as the morning unfolds. So it's nice to be back and start watching for some after hours videos, wrapping up the events from the day. And I'll try to go over the calls and explain the entries like I used to before this horrible month hit us. So I'll quit babbling and we'll see everybody tomorrow.